Hello everyone. Children, shall we continue? Learn to read the words, short and long sounds. Let's start. O. O. Short sound is O. T. O. S. Toss. T. O. S. Toes. Toss. Toes. If there is one vowel in a word, we usually say its sound. O, T, O, S, toss. When there are two vowels in a word, first one is name of the vowel, that is long sound. Second one is silent. T, O, S, toes. N, O, T, not, one vowel. Here there are two vowels. N, O, T, note, not, note. R, ob, rob. R, ob, robe, rob, robe. Children, please repeat after me. Not, note, rob, robe. H, op, hop. H, op, hope. R, odd, rod. R, odd, road. Hop, hope, rod, road. M, odd, mod. M, odd, mode. R, odd, rod. R, odd, road. Mod, mode, rod, road. J, on, John. J, on, Joan. S, oak, sock. S, oak, soak. John, Joan, sock, soak. K, ought, caught. K, oat, coat. G, ought, got. G, oat, goat. Caught, coat, got, goat. Together, caught, coat, got, goat. S, ob, sob. S, op, soap. Read these sentences and mark the vowels. The, note, n, oat, note. His, not. In the box, b, ox, box. Together, the note is not in the box. The box is empty. The note is not in the box. The, sight word the, robe, there are two vowels. R, O, B. Name of the vowel, R, O, B, robe, is on the rod. R, odd, rod. The robe is on the rod. You can see the robe is on the rod. My boat, two vowels, b, oat, boat, has a h, ol, hole. My boat has a hole. You can see a hole. My boat, b, oat, boat, has a hole. The, g, oat, two hours, goat, his, On the road. R-O-D. Road. Goat and road. There are two vowels in these words. Together, the goat is on the road. Hop. H-op. Hop. The soap. Two vowels. Op. Soap. Hop the soap. Joan. J-own. Joan. W-ill. Will. S-oak. Soak. The s-ock. Socks. J-own. Joan. In Joan there are two vowels. First one, name of the vowel. Second one is silent. Name of the vowel is long sound. J-own. Joan. Will. Short sound. W-ill. Will. Soak. Long sound and silent. S-oak. Soak. The socks. In socks there is only one vowel. Sound of the vowel. S-ock. Socks. Together, Joan will soak the socks. This girl is telling, I love reading. Children, mark the vowels and read. Thank you.